LinkedIn is an American business and employment-oriented online service that operates via websites and mobile apps. Launched on May 5, 2003, the platform is primarily used for professional networking and career development and allows job seekers to post their CVs and employers to post jobs. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of creating an account in LinkedIn. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.linkedin.com and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of LinkedIn. Now, at the top right side of the screen, you'll be able to see an option Sign In, and right beside it, there's an option Join Now. Click on it. After that, you'll be asked for your email or phone number. So enter a valid email or phone number and then create a password for your account. So let me quickly do that. So once you have entered your email or phone number and created a secure password for your account, tap on Agree and Join. After that, you'll be asked for your first name. Enter your first name and then enter your last name. After that, click on Continue. Now you'll have to solve the given puzzle so that they know that you are a real person. To do so, click on Verify. So here I'm being asked to pick the image that is the correct way up. Again, pick the image that is correct way up. Once the verification has been completed, your LinkedIn account will finally be created. Now you might be asked for your country or region, so enter your country or region and then select the city or district. Once you have done that, tap on Next. Now you'll be asked to enter the most recent job title, but if you are a student, then you can click on the option I'm a student. After that, you'll be asked for details about your school or college or university. So enter all these details that has been asked here. Now you'll have to confirm your email. For that, check your mail for the confirmation code. And once you have entered your code, click on Agree and Confirm. Now you'll be asked if you are looking for a new job. You can click on Yes, or if you are not looking for it now, click on Not Now. And then select the type of job you are looking for. So this is how you can create an account in LinkedIn and use it to find a job for you. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.